off the bounties of nature, the Paroja refer to themselves as Bastaria and trace their roots to the Bastar region of central India. In Odia, the word Paroja means common people or tenant farmer.
जुआरू 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 पानी चुआरू लुलु चुआरू गारू अता पाटो पेणी नेडो झगर कुडी निसाण मुंडा दातोडी दरुंडडी पडपुजा कंदल बोजा बुडा राजा तुना राजा रे नुनिमा तुमके सोये जाले जुआरू बेकानो निसाटे जाले सोरारू.
The Paroja, as ryots to local chiefs and zamindars, have traditionally been engaged in subsistence cultivation of millets and rice, supplemented by hunting and the collection of forest produce like raisin, mahua and kendu. Identified as a scheduled tribe in Odisha, the Paroja community resides mainly in Koraput district. The community number around 3,74,628 individuals as per the 2011 census. The Paroja worship the deities of the hills, forests and streams. The most important of these is Hundi Devta, the village deity and protector who is installed at the center of the village. She is worshipped on all major festivals such as Poos Punei, Chaith Parab, Bihan Puja, Diwali, Nuakhia and Dasara. Most of these festivals are connected with the agricultural calendar, with rituals being performed to bless the seeds before sowing and prayers being offered to protect the crop of millets or rice. Following the harvest, first eating ceremonies take place in which the new crop is offered to the Paroja deities. Dance and music is essential to these festivities, and the Paroja take pleasure in composing songs and dancing well into the night on such occasions. The Rinjodi dance takes place on numerous festivals and for entertainment after a hard day laboring in the fields. The Rinjodi is traditionally a courtship dance, and the Paroja refer to a beautiful young girl as Rinjiri and a handsome young boy as Rinjira. In the past, each Paroja village had two dormitories, the Dhangra Basa for unmarried boys and Dhangri Basa for unmarried girls. Each evening, the dormitory members would meet and engage in dance and music late into the night, using these opportunities to get to know one another and choose life partners.
दिवाली पर्व गोटे आमर अच्छी दिवाली पर्व नुआखाई सीटा ताईरे गोटे अपन रिंजोड़ी नाच करूँ ଆଉ ପୁଷ ପରବ ଗୋଟେ ଆମର ଗାଈମାନଙ୍କୁ ଆମେ ଭାତ ଖୁଆଇବୁ। ପୁଷ ପରବରେ ଗୋଟେ ଆମେ ରାତି ଉଜାଗର ନିଆଁ ଲଗାଇକିନା ଉଜାଗର କରିକିନା ସେଦିନ ଗୋଟେ କରୁ। ଏଇଟା ଆମ ପରମ୍ପରାରେ ଅଛି। ଆମର ଜେଜେବାପା ଜେଜେ ଆନି ଆଗରୁ ଅଛି, ଏଇଟା ପରମ୍ପରାରେ ଅଛି। ଆମର ଲାଉ ଗୋଟେ ଅଛି ଡୁଙ୍ଗଡୁଙ୍ଗା ବାଜାରେ ଆମର ରିଞ୍ଜଡ଼ି ତାଳ ଗୋଟେ ଅଛି ଗିନି ବୋଲିକିନା। ତାପରେ ମୃଦୁଙ୍ଗ ଗୋଟେ ବଜାଉଛୁ ଆଉ ବଂଶୀ ଗୋଟେ ତିଆରି କରୁଛୁ। ତ ଆମେ ତ କରି ଯାଉଛୁ, ଆଗାମୀ ଦିନରେ ମଧ୍ୟ କରିକିରି ଆସୁଛୁ। ଏବର ପିଢ଼ିରେ ମଧ୍ୟ ଆମର ଝିଅ ପୁଅ ସମସ୍ତେ ଶିଖିକିନା ଅଛନ୍ତି।
On the occasion of Pus Punei, which falls in the months of December-January, the youth of a village will gather to dance the Rinjodi. On the full moon night of Pus, they form groups and pilfer beans, pulses, banana and other foodstuff from the village homes and fields, bringing these to the village clearing where Hundi Devta is installed. The next morning, a feast is prepared using these supplies for the entire village to share. Both boys and girls dance the Rinjodi. The boys also provide the musical accompaniment, playing the dungdunga, a traditional fiddle made of wild gourd, along with drums, cymbals and flutes. ପ୍ରଥମେ ବନ୍ଦନା କରିବୁ, ତାପରେ 100 ଜୁଆରୁ 60 ଶରଣ ବୋଲି ଗ୍ରାମ ଦେବୀକୁ ସେଇଟା ଆଗେ ଫାଷ୍ଟରେ ବନ୍ଦନା କରିବା କଥା। ତାପରେ ନେକ୍ସଟ ଯେଉଁଟା ଏବେ କହିଲି ଆମେ ଦାଙ୍ଗଡ଼ା ଦାଙ୍ଗଡ଼ି ଯେଉଁଟା ଆମେ ଗୋଟେ ଗହଳି ଭିତରେ ଅଛୁ, ଆମେ ଗୀତ ମାଧ୍ୟମରେ କହିବା କଥା। ଆମେ ଯେଉଁ ନିଶିକିରି ପଳାଇବା ବୋଲିକିନି ସେଇଟା ଗୋଟେ କହିବା କଥା ଗୀତଟା କହିବି। ତ କାଗଡ଼ି ଦର୍ଲି କସି କୁମଡ଼ା ଦର୍ଲି କସି ପୁଷୁଜନୁ ଡୁଲିରେ ଲେଦତେ ଝିଲି 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 କାନୁ ନିଜୁବେ ଜାଲେ କାଢ଼ି ଆଣୁ ମଲି 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 କାନୁ ନିଜୁବେ ଜାଲେ ଚୋରି ଆଣୁ। Over time, many changes have taken place in the life of the Paroja. With an increasing access to the outside world, the Paroja youth are now finding opportunities for a livelihood beyond their villages and are gradually moving away from subsistence-based agricultural economy. Nonetheless, they continue to hold fast to their culture and roots via their marriage traditions, festivals, dances, and love for composing songs. Festivals and fairs are thus important occasions during which the Paroja, young and old, reassert their unique identity.